So we're here at 2 rentals that I have. We seed these 2 properties instead of using sod. That's going to save us on cost as well as some time. But here it is, we threw seed out. We watered it for a very long time and the seed now has burned up. We had our landscapers come back out yesterday. They did put some sod out in the back because we had a real bad washout, but they had thrown some seed out. I need to get this property presentable so I can get this thing rented. So let's get this thing going and I'll show y'all what we're gonna do here. You can see the tanks that we have on this trailer. We'll take this hose, we'll drop it into the tanks. The hose will suck the water out, circulate it, and we got these big red hoses here that will water the grass with that. So this is the backflow valve that hooks to the fire hydrant. Hook this on there like this. Now I had to special order this system. You can get a backflow valve, but this one's a lot bigger. I think this system was about $1,700 to do, or for them to build it for me. Yeah, so we're gonna show you how you install it here. This is called a male end, this is a female end. We'll just screw this, and this is pretty heavy actually. Also, this is a meter that every month I have to tell the county how much water I'm using. So this is the way they verify it here. And that's how we pay it monthly. So we just screw this on. And this has a little hook that you can see right here. And you'll take it on these little ears and you'll grab it and you'll just spin to tighten it up. Make sure that this is closed. You want to walk over here. We're going to turn it on. So that's how that works. So I'm trying to soak this yard up as much as I possibly can. My water bill was like $1,700 for watering the grass on these 2 properties. And using the fire hydrant is going to be a lot cheaper. So we'll soak this side as much as possible. So if any other people have done things similar or have any other ideas, leave it in the comment. I'll read it, check it out. And I might use it in the video. I'm always looking for different ways or cool ways to speed a process up or save some money. Of course, everybody's wanting to save some money. Like I said, we can't use water sprinklers on her property. Even though I own the house, she lives in it. And you know, we have a lease agreement. She pays her own water bill to the utility department. What you seen us do was take water out of a fire hydrant, fill up our 2 tanks that hold about 300 gallons each, and we water the grass to where we can't get a water hose or a sprinkler to. And this will help us also on small projects that we have to have something to use water from a tank from, or somewhere where we can't use water sprinklers. I'm trying to catch my breath. Whew. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, leave some comments, let us know if y'all done things similar to what we've done, or if you have any other ideas or suggestions that we could do to speed this process up or make it easy on us. Thank you.